If you wish to enter a new inquiry into JGID, press New Inquiry in your top navigation bar. We now recommend to first perform a search on the relevant client, contact or location to make sure we do not have any double entries. As I can see here, John Smith, the contact I'm currently dealing with, is already in the system. If I click on John, JGID will tell me any companies John has already worked for, or any sites that John might be responsible for. If these sites have already been entered into the system, I do not need to type them again. Should I wish to add, for example, a new site, client or contact, simply press Add, and you will see highlighted the most relevant fields which are required to complete an inquiry in JGID. You have the other fields optionally available. These are not required though. We can enter notes towards an inquiry, track the lead source, and assign a priority level, then press Save. We now have entered a new inquiry into JGID.